G'day, it's Craig, and today we're going to install Dry-Mat and Anti-Condensation Underlay to go underneath the mattress on the bed base in the campervan. I bought this mattress from Para Rubber in Auckland here in New Zealand. It's a high density foam mattress with a thick memory foam on top of it, and it's in this cover here. They also cut it down in size for me because the bed folds here, so they had a bandsaw in the shop and they chopped it down so I can fold it back into this gap here, so that was quite handy. The only thing I've noticed, other than it being a lot more comfortable than the original mattress, is there was a little bit of moisture build up underneath the mattress, and before it got too bad we decided we'd find a product to go underneath the mattress to hopefully stop any condensation. So I went online looking for a product that would prevent condensation under the mattress, and there are quite a few different types of products. Some of them require to be fixed to the bed base, and as our bed base slides, that was unworkable. Others were quite high, and I'm not sure if you can see, but we don't have a lot of height to play with. So this product had good reviews online, a lot of them from boating people, and they would have more condensation than I would have, I would expect. And also it isn't too high. We're going to put it in and hopefully it stops our condensation problem. It comes in two sizes, 1 by 2 meter or 2 by 2 meter. So I bought the 2 by 2 meter size, and that was $185. And I bought it from the RV Superstore at Auckland Airport, and a great service here. And I'm so hoping this product does the trick. So we'll just chuck it in now. It's just a matter of folding it out and then putting a mattress on top. Okay, so I'm going to open this up. There's nothing else to it. Online for installation, they say you can cut this product with a pair of sharp scissors. I'm going to just try and lay it out first and see what I've got before I get any extra cutting or scissors, and then if I need to at a later date I'll come and cut to it, and of course at a later date I'll come back and review to see how it's worked out. Yeah, so fitting, remove mattress, place the dry mat directly on the base, draw an outline with a pen, and then to cut it in areas of high condensation you may continue using the dry mat on the sides of your mattress to keep the sides dry also. And it suggests you could use it in locker lids or other access points. So if you had leftovers, I guess you could use it to fill other areas which get damp. And the mat does not fray. No real need to fix, however you can staple or use a good quality double-sided tape. So they say it's 10 mils thick, an engineered product to provide thousands of micro springs that support you on your mattress and stop the mattress from touching the base, providing an air gap. As you sleep, your body warms up the air within the gap. The warm air gently moves under the mattress as you move, cutting down the opportunities for condensation. Well, it sounds really promising. Let's see if it works. We'll come back in a month and see what we've got. Anyway, on to the installation. If you can see this in the camera, you can see the 1 centimeter and all the fibers they were talking of. Well, I've laid it out upon the bed base, and I quite like the extra length at the far end because the mattress will be touching the far wall. But I think there's too much on the sides, so I may just fold that under for now and then at a later date cut it off. So we've put the underlay down, we've only folded the sides under, left it higher at the back because mattress will be touching that far wall, and we're going to put the mattress back in now. As you can see, there is overlap on the sides, but sometimes blankets and cushions, like this big cushion, sit on the side, so I think the underlay will help. The underlay's in now, the mattress is on top. With the products combined, we should have a comfortable bed and a dry bottom. Always good for camping. Thanks for joining.